Okay, in this tutorial I am going to show you how I like to make a magic loop and work the first round within that magic loop. It's actually a pretty simple process. You start off by leaving the tail end of your yarn in front of your hand, and then just wrap a loop around your finger and leave the yarn at the live end, or the end attached to the yarn ball, towards the back. See, very simple. Now you're going to slip your crochet hook into this loop that you've created and then pull up a loop of yarn. Make a chain and you have your magic loop. Now you're just going to work within that magic loop whatever stitches you need. In this case we're going to work 8 single crochet. So you want to work over both of these. You see how there's 2 pieces of yarn, the loop and the tail? You want to work over both of those. I'm going to make 8 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I know I said 8. I just want to take a moment to show you a few things. Sometimes the yarn twists around. It's not a big deal. You can untwist it, pull it through. It's, whatever feels comfortable for you. And on the note of whatever feels comfortable for you, some people like to leave this loop on their finger. Some people, like me, like to kind of pinch it in your fingers. Whatever feels comfortable. The other thing that's nice to know about this is if you need your loop to be bigger, if it's too small for you to work in, just give it a tug from the bottom. It'll get bigger. Don't pull that end through. You'll have to start over. If it's too big, sometimes mine get too big and they become hard for me to work with. Take your tail end, give it a tug. Tightens right up. Okay. I said 8, so we've got 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now, when you have all the stitches you need, you pull the tail end, tighten up your circle, and continue your pattern however you're supposed to. Slip stitch together, whatever you need.